everyone, Lakita from Tandem Trouble today with your One Hot Minute. Today let's talk about stretchy wraps. We're going to start with our stretchy wrap and put the label in the center on the center of our chest. I'm going to reach around behind my back and pull out and up over the top of my shoulder. From here, I'm going to make sure that this is t-shirt tight like Friday night. I'm going to take both ends. I'm going to shove it through the pocket we just created. When I get here, I'm going to make sure that I have it spread out on my shoulder here, and then you can see it makes it easy to get out any type of twist that might be in the wrap right there. From here, I'm just going to take these two sections and cross them over, pull it around behind my back, and tie a double knot. If you have extra length, you absolutely can bring it around to the front and tie it in the front. From here, I'm going to push the center section down just a touch, and then I'm going to open up the space here to put the baby.